The Beer Cafe is India's favorite beer chain. We also refer it to as India's largest and fastest growing alcohol beverage chain. Today we have 34 outlets, rolling into another 18 outlets, which is one outlet every 10 days. That's the ramp up speed.
As we expand our footprints to more regions, open more outlets, we've got more people working with us. We realize there's a need to check what the customer experience is, to see what the customer is going through and what is the kind of service that we are able to provide to them, how good is our training, how good are our systems and processes, and whether they are being followed or not, and what is the moment of truth actually for the consumer. So when he comes to a city, to a location in Delhi versus Gurgaon versus Bangalore versus Mumbai, is he going through the same process? Is he going through the same quality of experience which you want to give to him? So we realized there was a need to provide checks into the system where we do it every month. So every month there's a mystery audit that we carry out in every location of ours. We appointed RedQuanta because we realized that the quality of auditors that they had was pretty good. There were actual consumers who would come to Beer Cafe, which gives a lot of secrecy to the whole project, because if a normal customer walks in, the staff doesn't really get very suspicious or start thinking that he's an auditor, and that is very important to the whole process to maintain the objectivity.
But we also get a great analytical tool that they build in, which tells us what's going wrong. So one is obviously you have to improve, but there is also the integrity side. Sometimes you do come to know that something is going wrong. At the end of the day, we have 650 people, another 100 joining every month. There will be some who probably would not fit our culture, and that's the time when we what we call weed the grass. And I think RedQuanta does that for us.
We have crafted a checklist in consultation with RedQuanta, and based on their retail experience in the market, they deal with multiple players. We were able to fine-tune a process or a checklist which is suited to our requirement, where we are able to see whether our systems are being followed, whether the basic hygiene checks are in place, any special initiatives that we've taken during a particular month or a particular period, whether those are being followed to the T.
For example, for us, having washroom hygiene is very important. We realize that guests go in, it's a beer place, you will use the washroom more often than normal, and we believe that has to be kind of really taken in. We also believe that our music has to be at a particular decibel level, because we believe that our music should be 75 decibel, which allows you to conversate. So that's part of our experience. Beer Cafe is all about an experience. Apart from them, there are other things that we built up. Was, for example, is our beer meter showing the number of beers? That's very important to us, because that's a dynamic, hyper local information, because each outlet will have different number of beers, and that's kind of a pressure for us to make sure that we have more than 50 beers, because that is what we kind of proudly announce. We have more than 50 beers from 18 countries. So I think when the auditors from RedQuanta go, that's one of the first things that they notice. That's what's the number of beers pouring.
When we crafted the process of the audits, we realized that it can only be effective when the data comes back to us in good time, when we are able to take feedback and put in corrective action in a certain time frame, so that the whole process is, one, very quick, and secondly very efficient. So the advantage that we saw with RedQuanta was that the technological platform was very robust. All the dashboards are accessible on a mobile. The key points are highlighted, where the defect areas are, where the improvements need to take place, and we are straight away able to mark them to the concerned person or the concerned manager. And there's a certain time frame that we have defined, that they have to come back to us within that time frame, and we are able to audit that through the dashboard to see whether the corrective action has been taken, or if there is an interdepartmental intervention required, then we are able to kind of pass it on to multiple people at the same time, which makes sure that the implementation and the rectification happens in really good time frame. So, typically the way audits work is that it works as a check, it works with a system of checks and balances, but we also realize that in order to get it really effective with our team and create a positive energy around it, we wanted to motivate our staff to perform better, and we made this a very, very key parameter into our annual appraisals and training programs.
We've got two different scales. We say more than 90 points, less than 90 points. Anything above 90 points is something that we're doing a good job. So anybody above 90 and tracking 90, the analytics tools that RedQuanta has allows us to track that.
So we've actually motivated our staff to perform better, and we track this on a month on month basis. We share data within our team, within various outlets to create a competition between them. Overall, our performance has, ever since we started these audits about 16 months back, we have gained almost 20 percentage points on an average across all the outlets, which talks a lot about how the customer experience has really improved over this short period.
I can say from the Beer Cafe's perspective, we are very delighted to be partners with Red Quanta, terrific team, and we are honored to be together.